Car. And there's another road here also.
The other one goes.
Oh, this one ends there, so they have a plan. We go up far. Let's go up first. Yeah, we can go first. That side.
Haraf. It's called
Haraf. Oh, Haraf. We get some more petrol. Oh, okay.
Very near. I think they did it because of the road now.
Yeah.
There's a new road here. There's a likelihood that.
What's the name? Khoda.
Qodah.
Huh?
Qodah.
Khoda.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Khoda.
Khoda.
Street.
Sadeh.
Yeah, this is the gas place.
We are at the
The gas place. It's called-
Gigi. Where are we now? At the
gas place.
oh, at the gas. So we get more gas for the car. Then we go to the playground. Kaya, are you ready?
Kaya was once at the playground.
Yeah. Oh, she knows the place. Gigi's looking forward to play.
Yeah, jumping on the.
Godwin is tired because he went to the gym. He's very tired, so he has to rest. Eh?
Toka hapo nje one view hapo.
Ya huku nyuma. Oh, mkitana gari basi. Acha niangalie. Msiniwache. Nishikie hii bagi yangu. Nitakalia iko na simu. Oh, nice. So I want to see the view from here. The place is looking marvelous. Let me show you the view from the top here. Which village is this? Jigjiger. Bokoljer. And then there is the river down there. Wow.
This is a new road.
Constructed.
The mayor.
Yes.
It goes up to Sheikh Omar.
It goes up to
Sheikh Omar.
That's where you go for your morning run.
Yes. 8 kilometers from
Jigjiger.
Yes.
Every morning.
Every morning. Going for morning run.
Eh.
So there's a roundabout
Eh.
and then you meander around
Eh.
up to Sheikh Omar.
Okay, so we can go there now.
Let's go now.
Okay.
We go up to there and then people should see
Uh-huh.
that Hargeisa, even the road network station, because there's a new road here.
Yes.
So there are buses using here, many people using this. So
Yeah.
even there's a bus coming, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why we need.
And then we go to the playground.
And then we go to the playground.
All right.
So let's go.
See. Let's see.
The road is getting busier.
True.
Maybe Masalati. Let's go.
Okay. We move.
Go up here.
And there are not many people living here.
Oh yeah.
But the other side there,
Yeah, many.
I can see many people.
I like the
So
playground.
we normally stretch here for like 20 minutes.
At that roundabout.
Then we continue.
These little streams. stream there. They are all over the villages there. Now you can see it at a distance. Okay. We come back. So the village is there. There's a beautiful house here. Yeah. Construction all over. Oh, some meanders. Some meandering.
Makes the running so nice.
Eh. The road is meandering. The village looks good. Wow.
You eat too much, you run very fast.
You eat too much, you run very fast. So most of the houses are. So it means maybe, except a few here. It means maybe they are temporary.
Yeah.
Then you can run.
That would be. So this road is like how old? Beautiful houses here. This one is permanent. Let's go.
Now we're going up the hill.
Look at the houses there. And here there's another village. Wow. This is another village. Yeah. And the houses here are stone.
I think it's maybe we are now in
No.
Sheikh Omar, I think.
Faiz Pharmacy.
No.
The houses look good.
Yeah.
That's so good. And the door's open.
It's a shop.
And it's not.
We are already at the mountain.
Yeah.
The mountains on
Yeah,
the other
up the
side.
hill, so you can
Wow. These houses. Yeah. Okay. So the road took shape. Oh man. Yeah, shape. It's a fast developing place. The other place there, with time it will be crowded. Yeah. We are already on the mountain. At that corner there, where the road still meanders. Oh, and there's like a footpath here. Oh, it turns here. To where exactly? To the small village there. The sun is almost setting. A beautiful view, yeah. Mashallah, yeah, you can see.
We have a bus stage just here.
In front there. So the buses also come up to here. We are already at the mountain, by the way.
At the foot.
Of the mountain. Wow. Amazing. The buses are here. You can see they are picking people here.
Then not to see my tree.
Yeah. Some goats up there. Okay. This is where you always come?
Yes.
What? For the morning run?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go back to the playground.
Yeah.
Let me copy the playground.
So this is Sheikh Omar.
Yeah. The area looks good.
Developing.
So transportation is easy peasy. Yeah. fans. Wow, the view is amazing. The sunset, woo! Hey, at the motherland. At the motherland. Yeah, you can see that. Oh my goodness. Looking nice. I'm loving the sunset. Mashallah. Hey!
This is Hargeisa in the evening.
Yeah. In the evening. Yeah. So these are the buses. So coming here is not a problem. Transportation. Yeah.
Some boys are enjoying the evening. They are playing
Football. Yeah, you can see them. Whoa. They are having fun. Life is easy. Yeah. In the evening they come together.
I need to
They bond.
under the sun.
Yeah. And have fun. You need to soothe. Aya, let's move.
We'll go where there's that bend there, then you come under the sushi.
Yeah. Yeah, down the hill to the playground. The road is amazing. People are moving back buildings all over. You can see these are new settlements. And we keep goods. Yeah. Yes. And Gale. Oh, Gale is the camel. You can see Hargeisa from here. Yeah, the view there. Yeah. Spectacular.
Okay.
We are almost at the playground, so.
You can sushi here.
Oh, yeah, okay.
There's a corner here where there are no people.
Okay. Abdisalam.
Okay, go.
Yeah, down the hill. Down the hill. Huh? Mnakimbia huku board. The road looks nice. The meandering makes it better. Yeah. And makes the training better also. Yeah. You don't need a smooth running. Wow. I just love this view of the sunset. Yeah. Oh, some birds just flew past. Welcome to the motherland. So even if it rains, you have a nice, a smooth run. Yeah, it won't be stressful. Look at the view of Hargeisa there.